Good morning children, welcome back to grade 4 mathematics online class. So children, how you did your first midterm test? Yes, I hope you did well. Okay ma, so today we can continue the unit 2, that is addition and subtraction. Okay, so up to the Roman number 4 we have completed, isn't it ma? The last class we did the word problem using addition, isn't it? And today we can see the next Roman number, that is Roman number 5, that is frame word problems. Okay, we are going to frame the word problems. Okay ma? First question, 1234. Okay, 1234 plus 686 is equal to 1920. Okay ma? So here we are going to frame a word problem using addition. Okay, plus symbol is there, isn't it? So they are added these two numbers, that is 1234 and 680. So they got what ma'am? 1920. Okay, so for this numbers we have to frame a word problem using addition. Okay, frame it by using addition. So it's our wish. Okay, so we can able to frame the word problem in our wish. Okay, in our own sentence we can frame it. Okay ma. So here I have framed a shopkeeper orders 1234 red papers and 686 yellow papers. How many papers did he order in total? Why we have written total word? Because it's a addition problem. Okay, it is an addition problem, plus symbol is there. That's why we added what ma? Total word here. Okay ma. See once again, a shopkeeper orders 1234 red papers. Okay, that is first one is the number of red papers. Okay, this is the number of red papers he ordered. Okay, second one is what ma? That is the number of paper. Which color paper? That is yellow color paper. Okay, this is the 686 is the total number of yellow color papers he ordered, and this is the total. Okay, so how we can ask how many papers did he order in total? Okay, totally he ordered how many papers? 1920. Okay, so this is the way we have to frame the word problem in addition. Okay, this is the framing the word problem using addition. After writing this, framing the sentence, you have to leave it to one line and next you can write it like this. Okay, see here, this is a short form, that is 1234. That is what ma? That is what? That's the number of red papers. Okay, that's the number of red papers ordered. Okay, ordered. This is okay. Ordered. Okay, 1234 total number of red papers he ordered. Then plus what number is given? 686. That is plus 686. Okay, wow. That is the number of yellow paper ordered. Okay, number of yellow paper ordered. Then if you add these two numbers, we will get 1920. That is equal to 1920. That is what ma? Total number of paper. Okay, that is a total number of all togetherly yellow and red paper togetherly. How many papers are there? 1920. That is a total number of paper ordered. Okay, so from the question we have written the number as it is, and in between we have to write the word. Okay, have you understood this? So second problem we have 832 minus 674 is equal to 158. Okay, so here what symbol is given ma? Subtraction symbol. Okay, minus symbol is given. Okay, so according to this symbol we want to frame the sentence. Okay, first one is addition problem, so we use the word total. Okay, total. Here what is given ma? Subtraction problem. Okay, minus symbol is there, isn't it? They subtract these two numbers and they got the answer as 158. So we have to use the word in the subtraction, we have to use the word left, remaining, like that words we have to use it. Okay ma? Have you understood this? So as our wish we can frame the sentence. So here I have framed. First we have to write solution, then only we have to frame the sentence. In a cinema hall there are 832 seats. Okay, so in a cinema hall, okay, in a theater, how many seats are available ma? There are 832 seats are available. Okay, total number of seats. Okay, on one day 674 people watched movie. So in one day how many people are watching the movie ma? On one day 674 people watched the movie. Okay, and how many seats were empty. Okay, how many seats were empty? So this is the total number of seat available in the cinema theater, cinema hall. Okay, this is the total number of seat is available in the cinema hall. So in one day, how many people were watched the movie? That is 674 people watched the movie. So how many seats were empty, ma? That is 158 number of seats are empty. Okay, that we are asked how many seats were empty. Okay, this is a subtraction problem, so we have asked how many seats were empty. Okay, after writing this framing the word, you can write like this, leave it one line and write. Okay, ma? So 832 total seat in the cinema hall. So total number of seat in the cinema hall is how much? 832 minus, okay, according to the question we have to write. Okay, this is our question, isn't it? So minus 674, that we have to write minus 674. That is what? That is the people watched movie. Okay, that is the number of people watched the movie. So if you subtract that two numbers, the answer is what? That is the answer is 158. So we have to write that is equal to 158. That is the empty seat. Okay, empty seats are available in the cinema hall. I understood, ma? So next Roman number we have Roman number 6, addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. So usually we will add the two numbers and get the answer. Otherwise we will subtract the numbers and get the answer, isn't it, ma? But here we have the addition and subtraction in a same question. Okay. So here they are adding the two numbers, these two numbers, that is 26,737 and 35,449. They are added. Afterwards they subtract that number. What number they are subtracting, ma? That is 4,998. Okay, so we can do it. First we have to do the first operation. What's the first operation given here? Plus operation. Okay, so we will call this plus operation. This is minus operation or subtraction operation. Okay, first we have the addition operation. Okay, ma? So first we can write the solution and we can write step 1. Okay, step 1, because here we have two operations now, plus operation and minus operation, isn't it? So first step 1 we have to do the first addition operation. Okay, so we can write the number, leave it to 1 or 2 lines. Okay, so to write the remaining numbers. Okay, ma? So we have 2, 6, 7, 3, 7. So you know that while you are writing the numbers for addition or subtraction, leave the gap in between the numbers and write. Okay, so only you will feel easy to add the number or subtract the numbers. Okay, next 9, from the right side to left we want to write. Okay, so 9, 4, 4, 5, 3. Okay, so here we are going to add these two numbers now. So we can put the symbol plus symbol and we can add it from the right to left. So 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. So we can take it the bigger number in the mind. That means 9 in the mind, take 7 in the finger. So 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 9 after what? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 we got, isn't it? We got the answer as 16, isn't it? So this is a rough work. Okay, ma? So we can do it at the right side of the booklet. Okay, this we got 16 now. Okay, so here we are going to write the 6 here. Okay, so 6 means next 1 will be the remainder that we have tried the next number above. Next we can add the 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 in the finger. So 4 plus 4. What is the answer, ma? Yes, you will get 8, isn't it? The next 7 plus 4. So 7 in the mind. Take 4 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we got 11 as the answer, isn't it? So we can write the 1 in the down and next remainder 1 we can write the next number above. So this is the remainder now. So 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6, what's the answer? 6 in the mind, take 1 in the finger. So 6 after 7. So we got 7 here, isn't it? 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5. So 7 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, isn't it? So we got the answer as 12. So 12 means we can write the two here and 1 balance we can write the next number above. Okay, so now we have to add 1 plus 2. So 2 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. Okay, so if you have a bigger number means take the bigger number in your mind and smaller number in your finger. Okay ma, so it will be easy. So 2 in the mind and take it 1 in the finger. So 2 after 3. Okay, so now we got 3. Okay, so 3 in the mind, next value is what? 3. So 3 in the mind, take 3 in the finger. So 3 after 4, 5, 6. So we got the answer as 6. So what's the answer ma for the step 1? So this is step 1. So here first we have the addition symbol, addition operation. So we have to add the two numbers. Okay, so we added the two numbers and we got 62,186. Okay, 62,186. This is the answer for the step 1. Okay, so next for the step 2 we have to carry out the second operation using the answer of the step 1. Okay, for the step 2 next we can write step 2. Okay, so step 1 is over. Now next we can write step 2. So here you have to leave it one line. Okay, after getting the answer we can leave it one line. Afterwards we have to write step 2. Okay, so step 2 what we have to do, carry, we have to going to do the second operation. Second operation what ma? Subtraction. Okay, so here we are going to carry out the second operation, that is the minus operation, using the answer. By using what answer? Step 1 answer. Okay, step 1 answer is what ma? So step 1 answer is we have 62,186. Okay, leave it a line, 1 or 2 lines to write the remainder. So second operation is minus symbol. What number we have to subtract? Yes sir, 4,998. So write the number from the right to left. So when you write the number you have to write like this. So 8, 9, 9, 4. So here we are going to subtract. So write the minus symbol. Okay, next we can subtract from the right side to left side. Okay, so here we have 6 minus 8. So when you compare 6 and 8, 6 is greater or smaller than 8? Yes, it is smaller than 8. So what we have to do ma? If it is smaller means we have to borrow a number from the near next value. Okay, so if you borrow a number from 8 means the 8 will change to before number. 8 before number is what ma? 7. Okay, 8 will change to 7. Next this 6 will change to 16 now. Okay, so now we got 16. So 16 in the mind, take it 8 in the finger. Okay, so 16 before, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, isn't it? So we got the answer as here 8. 8. Okay, the next number 7 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 7 minus 9? No, isn't it? Because 7 is smaller than 9. So we have to borrow a number from the next value. So if you borrow a number from the 1 means this 1 will change to what ma? 1 before number is 0. So it will change to 0 and this 7 will be changed to 17. So now 17 in the mind, take it 9 in the finger. So 17 before, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we got the answer as 8. Isn't it ma? So we got 8 here. Next 0 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract ma? No, isn't it? So we have to borrow a number from the next one. So if you borrow a number from 2 means 2 will change to the before number, that is 1. 2 before number is 1. And the 0 will be changed to 10 now. Okay. Isn't it? We have to write a 1 to the left of the given number. So 0 and 1 will change to what? 10 now. Okay. So 10 minus 9. So 10 in the mind, take it 9 in the finger. 10 before, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got 1 here. 1. Okay. The next 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4 it's not possible, no? So we have to borrow a number from the next one. So if you take a number from 5 means the 5 will change to the before number, that is, sorry, 5 not number, 6. 6 before number is 5. Okay, so 6 will change to 5. Okay. Now we have here 1. So we have to write a 1 to the left of the 1. So 1 and 1 it will 11 now. So 11 minus 4. 11 in the mind, take it 4 in the finger. 11 before 10, 9, 8, 7. So we got 7 as the answer here. And next value we have 5 and no number, isn't it? So we have to write the 5 as it is. So from the second step, what's our answer? 57,188. Understood this? So when you add the two numbers, that is step 1, you got this answer. And for the step 2, we have to take the answer from the first step and subtract the number. That means 4,998 we have to subtract. So we got the answer 57,188. So we can write the answer. So leave it one line and write. Okay, ma? So 26,737 plus 35,449 minus 4,998. So after doing the step 1 and step 2, what's our answer, ma? Our answer is 57,188 is our answer. Okay, and place the comma at the particular place. Have you understood this? So second problem we have 56,784 minus 49,324 plus 26,782. Okay, so here in the first question we have first addition operations, then plus operation is there, next one subtraction operation is there. But here we have the first subtraction operation first and the plus operation second. Okay, so we can subtract these two numbers in the step 1. You will get the answer in the step 1 now. So after getting the step 1 answer, we have to add this number with that answer and get it the last total answer. Okay, ma? Shall we do it this? So we can write first solution and leave it 1 or 2 line and write 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Then second number from the right to left you want to write. So 4, 2, 3, 9, 4. So here we are going to subtract. So put the minus symbol. Okay. And we can subtract. So when you are subtracting these two numbers, look at here. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. So we know that if you are subtracting the same numbers means we will get 0. Otherwise 4 in the mind, take it 4 in the finger. Okay, ma? So 4 before what, ma? 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. We can do it like that. Otherwise we have to know that if you subtract the same numbers, a number from the same number means you will get the 0. So we will get 0 here. Okay. Next 8 minus 2. So 8 is a greater number. So we can able to subtract now. So 8 in the mind, take it 2 in the finger. So 8 before 7 and 6. So we will get 6 here. Next value is 7 minus 3. So 7 is a greater value. So we can able to subtract it, isn't it, ma? So 7 minus 3. 7 in the mind, take it 3 in the finger. So 7 before is what? 7 before is 6, 5, 4. So 4 is the answer. Okay. Next 6 minus 9. So compare it. Is it 6 is greater than 9? No, it is less than 9. No. So what we have to do it, ma? We have to borrow a number from the next value. So if you borrow a number from here means it will change to 4. Okay. 5 will change to the before number, that is 4. And 6 will become as 16 now. Okay. 16. Okay. Now we have to subtract 16 minus 9. Okay. 16 in the mind. Take it 9 in the finger. Okay. Have you take it 9 in the finger. So 16 in the mind. 16 before 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, so we got it 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. Next, 4 minus 4. So we know that if you subtract the same numbers means we will get 0. So now we got 7,460 because 0 have no value, no. So it's 0 at the first, so 0 has no value. Next we can say the digit, that is 7,460. Sorry, ma, one thing we have to write it here. This is step 1. Okay, I forgot to write it. Okay, so that is step 1. So from the step 1 we have subtracted 56,784 minus 49,324. So if you subtract these two numbers, we got 7,460. This is a step 1 answer. Okay. So next we can do the step 2. Okay, step 2. So step 2, what you have to do, ma? Carry out the second operation using the answer of the step 1. Okay. So we have to do the second operation by using the answer of the step 1. So second value we have 26,000. Okay, so we can write the bigger value first. Okay, so leave it 1 or 2 lines. We can write it here. 2 6 7 8 2. Okay, then we can write the smaller value. Okay, ma, that means 0 6 4 7. Here we are going to add, isn't it? So plus symbol we have to write. So we can add two numbers. Okay, so 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0, we know if you add with the number with the 0 means we will get the same number. So we will get 2 as the answer. Okay, then 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 means 8 in the mind, take it 6 in the finger. So 8 after what, ma? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got 14, no? So 14 means we can write it 4 first. Okay, so we can write the 4 here, and 1 will be a reminder that we can have to write the next number above. First we can add 1 and 7. So bigger number in the mind. So 7 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. 7 after is what, ma? 8, isn't it? So 7 plus 1 is 8. Next we have to keep the 8 in the mind and take it 4 in the finger. Okay, 7 plus 1 we got 8 now. So 8 in the mind, take it next value. That is the second value is what, ma? 4. 4 in the finger. So next 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we got it 12. So we have to write the 2 here and 1 reminder in the next value above. Okay, as a reminder. So next 1 plus 6. So 6 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. So 6 after what, ma? 7, isn't it? So now we got 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 in the mind, next second value is 7. So again 7, take it 7 in the finger. So 7 after what, ma? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 14 means we have to write the 4 in the down and 1 as a reminder. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So 2 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. 2 after is 3. So here no value, no. So if we got 3 as the answer, we can write it here as 3. Okay. Now what's the answer? From the step 1 we got 7,460. So add with this number. Okay. Adding the step 1 answer with the second operation, that is plus operation, we got 34,242. Okay, so we can write the answer as, so 56,784 minus 49,324 plus 26,782 is equal to, what's our answer, ma? At the last we got 34,242 is our answer. So next we have Roman number 7, that is check subtraction using addition. Check subtraction using addition. So to check the subtraction problem, okay, to check the subtraction problem using addition, what's the first step means? We have to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract the given numbers. Then we have to add the difference to the subtrahend. Okay, so first step is what? We have to do the subtraction as it is. Okay, for the checking process, we have to add the difference. We have to add the difference. We will get the answer. No, that is a difference. We have to add the difference to the subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend. If we get the minuend as the sum, your subtraction is correct. Okay, when you are checking this subtraction using addition, when you add the difference to the subtrahend, if you get the minuend as the sum, means your subtraction is correct. Okay, so here first question is subtract 34,872 from 71,902. Okay, from this number. Okay, and also we know that in subtraction we have to write the bigger number, greater number first, then only we have to write the smaller number and write and do the subtraction. Okay, from subtract this number from this number. So write this number. Okay, from word after what number is given, that number we want to write first. Okay, so we can write the solution, then we can write the That means the bigger value first. So leave it one or two line to write the remainder. So 7 1 0 9 2. Okay. 7 1 0 9 2. Second value is what ma? 2 7 8 4 3. And we can do the subtraction. Okay, put the minus symbol. Okay. So now we can subtract these two numbers. Okay. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 we know that 0 will get it. Isn't it ma? 0. So next we have 9 minus 7. So 9 in the mind. Take it 7 in the finger. So 9 before 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. Is it correct ma? 9 minus 7 is 2. So we can write 2. So next we have 0 minus 8. 0. 0 is less than 8 now. So what we have to do? We have to borrow a number from the next value. So next value we have 1. So if you are taking a number from 1 means the 1 before number is 0. It will change to 0. Okay. And this 0 will get a number at the left side now. So 1 and 0. 1 and 0 now we have 10. Okay. So 10 minus 8. So 10 in the mind, take it 8 in the finger. 10 before 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. So we got 2 as the answer, isn't it? 2 we got it. Okay, next 0 minus 4. Is it possible to subtract 0 minus 4? It's not possible, no. So we have to borrow a number from next value. So 7 before number is 6. 7 will change to 6, and if you are taking a number from 7 means the 0 will change to 10. So 10 minus 4. 10 in the mind, take it 4 in the finger. 10 before 9 8 7 6. So we got 6 as the answer. Okay, 6. Next one, 6 minus 3. So 6 in the mind, take it 3 in the finger. 6 before 5 4 3. 5 4 3. So we got 3 as the answer. Now our subtraction is over, isn't it ma? So as a given question, subtract this number from this number. So we subtracted the 71,942 and 34,872. So we got the answer. This is called as what? Difference. Okay. After getting the answer, this is called as difference. So what is the checking of subtraction using addition? You will get the difference, no. So add this difference with the subtrahend. Okay. Add the difference with the subtrahend. Subtrahend means what ma? This is a subtrahend. Okay. So we have to add the difference with the subtrahend. Okay. So if we got the minuend as the answer, minuend means this is the minuend. Okay, first value is called as minuend and second value is called as the subtrahend. Okay, the bigger value is called as minuend and the smaller value in the subtraction is called as subtrahend. And last answer is called as difference. We know, isn't it? So for checking, what we have to do, we have to add the difference with the subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend. If we got the minuend as the answer means, okay, in the addition, if you get the minuend as the answer means your subtraction is correct. Okay. So we can do it, okay ma? So here we can write the difference first, that is 36220. Then what is the subtrahend? That is 27843. Okay. Next we can add these two numbers, okay ma? So before that, what we have to do means we have to put the arrow mark like this. Okay. So this is the number we have returned this. The same number only now. So this number only we have to return here. Okay. That is a difference. And subtrahend is this one. So we can put the arrow mark like this. Okay. Use the pencil and draw the arrow mark. Okay. Now we can add these two numbers. Okay ma. So we have to put the plus symbol here. We can add it. Okay. So next, when you are adding 0 plus 2, we know if you are adding the 0 with a number means we will get the same number. So 2. 2 plus 7. So 7 in the mind, take it 2 in the finger. So it's 7 after 8, 9. So we will get 9 here. Okay. Then 2 in the, so 2 plus 8. So always take it the bigger number in the mind in the addition. Okay. So it is easy. So 8 is a bigger number now. So take it 8 in the mind. So take 8 in the mind, take it 2 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10. So 10 means we can write the 0 here and 1 will be the balance. Okay, 1 is the balance. Okay. Now we have to add 1 and 6. So when you are comparing 6 and 1, 6 is a bigger number now. So keep it 6 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. 6 after is 7. So we got answer as 7. Okay, 7 in the mind. Next value is what ma? 4. 7 in the mind, take it 4 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got 11 as the answer. So we can write 1 and 1 is the remainder that we have to write in the next value above. Okay, now 1 plus 3. Otherwise 3 plus 1. So 3 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. 3 after is 4. So 4 we got it. Next 4 in the mind, take it 3 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So we got the answer is 7. So now look at here ma. So here we have the difference, this is the subtrahend, and we got the answer as what? 71,092. That is what ma? Minuend, isn't it? That is a minuend, no? So our subtraction is correct. Okay ma. So how we can check the subtraction using the addition ma? First we have to add the two numbers, subtract the two numbers. Okay, subtract the two given numbers. So we'll get the difference. If you add the difference with the subtrahend, if you get the minuend as the sum, means our subtraction is correct. So now our subtraction is correct. Okay, so we can write it here. We get the minuend as the sum. So the subtraction is correct. Okay ma. So here we got what ma? Minuend. This is a minuend no, as the sum. Okay, so the subtraction is correct. Okay, I understood. Look at the next question ma. Next question we have 6,01,928 minus 2,32,947. So first we can subtract two numbers and we can check by using the addition. Okay, so we can write the first number, that is 601928. Okay, then second value is 749232. We can subtract. Okay, so 8 minus 7. 8 in the mind, take it 7 in the finger. So 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, 1. Next 2 minus 4. It's not possible, no? So we have to borrow it from the next value. So 9 will change to 8 and this 2 will become as 12 now. So now 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is what ma? Yes, 12 minus 4 is, we will get 8 as the answer. Okay, 8 as the answer. Next 8 minus 9. Is it possible? 8 is smaller no when you compare to 9. So we have to borrow a number from the next value. So if you are taking a value 1 from the 1 means the 1 will change to 0. Okay. And this 8 will become as 18 now. So 18 minus 9. 18 in the mind and 9 in the finger. So what's the answer? 18 minus 9. 9 is the answer. Okay. Next 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. Is it possible to subtract 0 minus 2? No. So what we have to do? We have to borrow a number from the next value. So look at here. Here also we have 0. So not possible. Isn't it? It's not possible to take it a number from 0. So we have to move on to the next value. So 6, if you are taking a number from 6 means 6 will change to 5 and this 0 will change to 10 now. Okay, 0 will change to what? 10. Next, we want a number, we want to give a number to 0 now. So we have to take it from the 10 only. So if you are taking a number from 10 means 10 will change to 9 and 0 will change to now 10. Have you understood this? Here 0 we have, so we have to borrow a number from 0. So it's not possible to take a number from 0. So what we have to do? We have to move on to the next value. So 6 we have. From 6 if you are taking a number means it will change to 5. 6 will change to 5 and 0 will become as 10 now. Next we have to give a number to here now. So if you are taking a number from 10 means 10 will change to what? Before number is 9. It will change to 9 and this 0 will change to 10 now. Okay, now 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is what? Yes, 8. Next, 9 minus 3. Isn't it? 9 minus 3 is what, ma? 6. Next, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we got the answer as 3,68,981. Okay, this is the difference of the subtraction. Okay, so we know that we have to write this value. Okay, write the difference here and we have to write the subtrahend here. Okay, so we can write it now like this: 3, 6, 8, 9, 8, 1. Okay. Second, what is the subtrahend ma? That is 7, 4, 9, 2, 3, 2. Here we are going to add. Also put the symbol plus symbol. Now we can add it. Okay. Now we can add it. So 1 plus 7. So 7 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. So 7 after is 8. Next, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 means 8 in the mind, take it 4 in the finger. So 8 after, if you add means we will get what ma? 12 as the answer. So 2 here, 1 will be the balance. Okay, 1 is the balance. So 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. 9 in the mind, take it 1 in the finger. 9 after is 10. 10 plus 9 is what ma? 10 plus 9 is 19. So we will get 9 here and 1 will be the balance. Okay. Next, 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 what ma? 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we will write the 1 here. We can write the 1 above. Next, 6 plus 1 is 7. Isn't it? 7 plus 3 is what ma? 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 here and 1 balance. Next, 1 plus 3. Otherwise 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is what ma? 6. So look at here now. We got the minuend, isn't it ma? Look at here ma. Minuend. That is 601928. That is 601928. So now we got the sum as what? The minuend. We got the minu as the sum. So our subtraction is correct. Okay. So we can write it. Here we get the minuend as the sum. So the subtraction is correct. Okay. So today we have learned about what ma? The framing the word problem, isn't it? Framing the word problem using the addition and subtraction. So we did 2 problems in the sum and as well as in the subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. Okay, then next addition and subtraction together. So here we have to add the number first. That is step 1. We have the operation plus symbol. So first we have to add it. The second operation we have minus. So what we get the answer in the step 1, we have to add with the step 2. And we have to get the answer. Okay, final answer. Here also, here we have subtract the first 2 numbers in the step 1. Okay, first we have to subtract the 2 numbers. So we get the answer here. Afterwards, we have to do the second operation with the first step answer. Okay, that is second operation is what? Addition. Okay, we have to add a number, second value number with the step 1 answer. Okay. So this is also easy only. Okay, next we have discussed about what ma? Checking subtraction using addition. Okay, so first we have to subtract the 2 values. Next we have to take the difference and we have to take the subtrahend and add the 2 values. You will get the minuend. So if you get the minuend as a sum, means the subtraction is correct. Okay. So based on this 3 types of addition and subtraction, I have given some homework. Okay ma? So do the homework. And also one more thing, next lesson you have multiplication. Okay. So side by side study the multiplication tables also. Okay ma? So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye, see you, thank you.